Kumasi Asante Kotoko lose a single game against Nations FC. Nations FC, we know are newly promoted in the Ghana Premier League. Now since 2021-2022 season, new club will be Obeba League in Mbiano. Untimi enche Kotoko ewo Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Nations FC and Kumasi Asante Kotoko about twice, which was Ghana Premier League 2-2 no and MTN FA Cup. Kumasi Asante Kotoko eshe omo 4-2. So these two games Kumasi Asante Kotoko the upper hand against Nations FC. Game echina and I say Sunday 6 p.m. Baba Yara Sports Stadium no ever so no be third game. Now from history there Kumasi Asante Kotoko got advantage, but we have form guide in the last 5 games Kotoko abono Kotoko lose 4 and in the last 5 games and I wash 1. And in the last 5 games of Nations FC, no Nations are 4 and we lose 1. So it tells you, say, talking about form guy and the Nations FC currently more form a chain Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Echina the 2 goalkeepers are likely so Medapo ama Kotoko ne either than lad and I say Moises Poite and an amount for bisa say wo ye oguma hwan na echina wo de ne beda we know a question for the goals, but yentien sign insurance say Kumasi Asante Kotoko will be mixing 2 key players. Frederick Asare our national team Black Stars come currently as we speak and number 1 striker Stephen Desemukwala also Uganda Cranes of Uganda a camper and also serving international duty. It's not game no match officials for the games no and referee James Taylor and the assistant near Kwesi Brobe and Roland Ade. 4th referee near Hasim Ka Yakubu and a match commissioner near Thomas Nunu, the good old Thomas Nunu. Media officer near Nathaniel JC. The question again, Echina, who wins? Krobia has the advantage.